Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today, we're going to tackle a common problem that many of us have faced at one point or another. Picture this. You're working on your computer, trying to access some important files, only to realize that they've suddenly disappeared. Yep, that's right. The problem we're talking about today is the mysterious disappearance of files from your computer. It can be frustrating and stressful, especially if those files are crucial for work or personal projects. Now, let's dive into the solution for this pesky problem. The solution lies in checking the recycle bin or trash on your computer. Oftentimes, when files seemingly disappear, they may have been accidentally deleted and can be found in the recycle bin on Windows or the trash on Mac. By simply restoring these files from the recycle bin or trash, you can easily recover your missing data. Remember, prevention is key, so always double-check before emptying the recycle bin or trash to avoid losing important files unintentionally. In addition to checking the recycle bin or trash, another solution to consider is using a data recovery software. These tools are designed to scan your computer for lost or deleted files and help you recover them. While the recycle bin or trash is the first place to look, data recovery software can be a lifesaver if you can't find your files through traditional methods. Just remember to act fast, as the chances of successful recovery decrease the longer you wait. In summary, the next time you encounter the dreaded problem of missing files on your computer, remember to first check the recycle bin or trash. If you still can't find your files, consider using data recovery software to recover them. And there you have it, problem solved. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your favorite file recovery story. Thanks for watching.